So we're here at the Cornwall Truck Show. So we're working alongside my great friends from Big Pete, so make sure you check them out on their YouTube channel. We're going to put a link in the description below. But yeah, it's early in the morning, the truck's all built up. We're on a bit of a hill, so we've got a wedge behind the wheel because the monster truck does not have a handbrake. So we've got a park brake, but I don't like to rely on it, especially one on a hill like this. We just go belt and braces and put one of the chocks in it. These are the chocks we use for when we build the monster truck up. We drive up them on the little wheels, and that's how we build the monster truck up. You've probably seen it in some of the other videos, but yeah, if we're on a big hill, we do that. But really looking forward to it. The sun's trying to come out. We're right up on the top of a hill. You can see for miles and miles in the background, and there is lots of trucks here, so we're going to check them out as well today.
Just finished the show and look at the crowd come to see the merch stand. There's loads of people come to see the Swamp Thing Monster Truck and Big Pete Grim Reaper. One's flat out at the merch stand.
Seen I've got a really nice fire suit, but I'm not the only one who's got a fire suit. Somebody else has got a fire suit. Georgina has got her new fire suit. Look at this!
Woo!
I think it even looks better than mine.
Oh, I don't know, Tony. I think you look better in green and Georgina looks better in pink. YouTube. Yeah, don't forget to check out our YouTube. There you go.
Turn around, what's on the back?
Oh, look. Instagram, Georgina's Instagram. Wow, there you go.
So thank you for Stand 21. We're not sponsored by them, but they do an amazing job. So yeah, if you want a premium fire suit,
We're up to spec and everything.
yeah, and they're really comfy.
They
aren't
are comfy. Yeah.
and they're custom. They measure you all up. They custom build them. They're not cheap.
No, they're not.
They're not cheap at all. But wow, this is my probably fourth or fifth fire suit, and this is the best one yet. So thank you to Stand 21. So we've had a really good day here at the Cornwall Truck Show. Swamp Thing is all ready for tomorrow, so we're all packed up.
Hello!
Georgina's here. Where's Clary?
Woo!
So where are we going now?
Well, I thought we'd go see the Wurzels.
Yeah, so I can't probably put too much of it on because we get copyrighted strikes, but the Wurzels are on in the Big Ten. And they're going to play all their famous hits. Like, I've got a brand new Combine Harvest, but I've heard them before, and they do some like Chelsea Dagger and stuff like that. So we're going to go and see the Wurzels. I think we turned up a little bit late. Wow, there's so many people here.
Should we have a look? Oh, hello! Hello! I'm going to see if I can get in there.
So we're inside the Wall of Death. You don't appreciate it looks a lot taller when you're actually in it. So yeah, so we're having a look at some of the motorbikes. They've got some Indians, got some Heralds. They have got no suspension on the back. That is quite loud. That is quite a loud motorbike. Twin cylinder, the spark plugs in there. These things are really cool, so you've got to check out the Wall of Death. So CJ, would you drive the Wall of Death?
No.
No, nor would I. Nor would I.
I don't like anything that's two wheels that you can fall off. I'm very happy being in my roll cage. Now, when I've talked to a few of my friends, Bulldog and whatnot,
Yeah.
they love the idea of throwing the thing away from them and landing away from the smouldering vehicle. But no, keep me in a roll cage, happy.
Same for me.
Yeah.
So it looks completely different when you're standing up here looking over the edge. Doesn't look anywhere near as taller when you're down at the bottom. Remember that? We used to watch out on the telly all the time. That's really cool.
That is cool.
So they're the people who are on BBC One before all your favourite shows. So it's late in the evening. We're going to have a quick look at some of the trucks.
I wonder what engine it's got in it. It's for speedy deliveries.
So we met one of the people who watches the vlogs. You're at the truck show.
Yeah.
What videos do you like the most?
So I watched the one with the seat cushion thing.
Oh yeah. So that's one of the ones.
Testing out and the buttons and whatnot. Yeah, so really good.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, buddy.
No worries. I've got a YouTube channel as well.
What's your YouTube channel?
And it goes racing. And my TikTok and everything. Yeah.
So I'm going to put a link for his channel down below.
Places there, look.
They're going places, yeah, with that green, yeah. No, literally, the company is called Going Places. This looks really cool, the way they've done it all. And they've even got a matching trailer as well to go with it. Oh! It's Mike Wazowski! Mike Wazowski's on the back! So it's not only big trucks here at the show, we have got miniature RCs, but look at these.
That's a good light parade and display.
And they've even got the sounds of like a V8 engine. These vans look wicked, especially with all their lights on. Look at these. So it's day 2 and we're just about to do the first show. The sun is out. What a day we've got on for today. So we're getting ready for the second show and we've got all brand new cars. So we've got one more car that's going to get ripped in half by Big Pete and Grim Reaper. I don't do any of that part of the show. They've got on the back of their truck, they've actually modified the back of the truck to put the big chain system on it to pull the car in half. Mine, if I try to do that on mine, I think it would have ripped the back of the chassis off. But yeah, we're going to have quite a few people here at Cornwall today. Really looking forward to the very last show here at the Cornwall Truck Show.
some noise for the stars of the show. First of all, Big Pete!